Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a simple animation. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up Canva because for today's tutorial, we're going to use Canva application. You can open up the Canva from your computer or your mobile phone. And as you can see guys, I have created a design on my Canva with my computer. And for example, I'm going to animate one of the elements right here. And if we want to animate, we just need to click on the element we want to animate like this, and we can simply go to the animate menu. And here guys, you can choose animation for your elements, but I'm just going to use create an animation. I want to use this custom animation for this element. Okay, if we want to animate, we just need to move it like this. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the animation has been created, but wait, I'm going to move it right here. Oops, sorry. I'm going to click on delete path, and I'm going to close it first, and I'm going to make a movement from the right side to the left side. Okay, we can click on animate and then choose create an animation, and we can draw path like this. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and you can apply the other animation to your element. You just need to click on animate and then choose the animation that you want. I'm going to try this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a simple animation on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.